Hey guys, today I'm gonna tell you how to fix Windows Visual Desktop wallpaper is not changing in Windows 11. If you're using Windows 11, you're facing the issue that in a virtual desktop your wallpaper is not changing. So let's see some possible fixes for this. The very first way, you can try to delete your previous wallpaper from your virtual desktop and then you can add a new one. Now for this you have to press Windows plus R and here just enter regedit. Just enter regedit to open registry editor. Click yes. Now once you are here you have to find a location in your registry editor and here's that location. The very first you have to go to HP current user, then software, then Microsoft and then Windows. So very first go there. Here's the HP current user, then software, and then Windows. And you can also expand this section. And software, go to Microsoft, and under Microsoft, locate Windows. Here's Windows. Expand it. Now, once you are in Windows, now just go again. Here's the current version, then Explorer. Now go to current version, and then locate Explorer here. Here's the Explorer. Expand it. Now in Explorer, you might see virtual desktops and then you can go to desktop here. Just scroll down, locate virtual desktops, expand it, then go to desktop here. Now once you are in desktop, you might see this type interface and you might also see the virtual desktop. Now in virtual desktop, you might see the wallpaper here. You just have to right click on it and click delete. Once you have deleted your wallpaper from both virtual desktops, after doing this, you can set this by using the default desktop wallpaper. The very first thing I recommend you don't use the Windows Spotlight or rigid or solid colors in your personalization. So just simply go to personalize here and personalize on your virtual desktop. Go to personalize here and make sure that you have not selected the rigid colors or Windows Spotlight for your wallpaper or your background. So once you have done, your issue might have been fixed. If you're still not fixed your issue, you're still unable to change the wallpaper of your virtual desktop. So there's a way you can use. You can try to completely restart your file explorer, only your file explorer, not your PC. You just have to simply go to this set icon here. Just search for task manager. Once you found Task Manager, you just have to locate Explorer here. If you're using a File Explorer, right, your File Explorer is not in use or it's not running, so you might get that here. But if your File Explorer is not running, let's say I'm gonna close my File Explorer from here. My File Explorer now is not running, or I have restarted it, so my file explorer is now not running here. I'm gonna open my details section, and in details you might get explorer.exe here. You just have to right click on it and click on restart, and once you have restarted your explorer, it will completely restart your desktop, your taskbar, and your file explorer. Once you have done this step, your issue will be fixed and you will not get this issue again. Thank you very much for watching the video. Until next video, bye bye.